HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and sew these short pants professionally. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video you get notified. So I used my hip measurement plus 2 inches divided by 4 to make these short pants, and the reason is that I'm going to cut the front and the back. I'm going to cut it together, and I'm going to use the same measurement for it. So I'm not going to split it to cut the back different from the back. No, I'm going to cut it together. So let's get started. HBNR, thanks for. So I'm going to make a straight line to form my starting point. So after that I'm going to mark 1 inches downward like this for my waistband, because I'm using 1 inches for the waistband of this boxer. Now I'm going to apply my length measurement, which is 16. So I'm going to start from the second line I marked. So I'm going to mark 16 and I will add extra 1 inches for the hemming allowance, which will make it 17 inches. So I'm going to connect the marked area together. After that I'm going to apply my waist measurement with the use of my hips measurement. So my hips measurement is 37 and I'm going to add extra 2 inches to it, which will gives me 39, and I'm going to divide 39 by 4, which will gives me 9.75, and that's 9 3/4. So I'm going to apply 9 3/4 to my waist area. Next thing is to apply my crotch measurement, which is 11.5. My crotch is 23 divided by 2, which gives me 11.5. So I'm going to start from the second line I marked to mark 11.5. After marking 11.5, so I'm going to connect the line to the waist area, and after that I'm going to add extra 2 inches to it. And I'm going to draw my crotch curve. So I'm marking 10.5 here. That's my own desired measurement for my laps. So you can take your own measurement of where the shirt is going to end and you will apply it there. So we are done with the pattern drafting. Now I'm going to cut out the pattern and we are going to lay it on the fabric and cut it out. So I'm going to hem the 1 inches I added here like this when I'm sewing it, and also 1 inches at the waist area, so it will be used for the band. Now I want to cut the fabric. The fabric here I'm using is jersey material. So, and I'm using 1 yard of this material, although it will be excess. As you can see that I want to cut it on fold. So the front and the back will be cut together. So now I'm going to start cutting the pattern on the fabric. So I'm going to notch the center of the side area from the top, and also I'm going to do that at the bottom also for each pieces. So after that, I'm going to sew my stripe on it. So this is my back tape. I'm using black back tape. So I'm going to place it on the exact area I notched from the top, and it's going to match with the area I notched at the down part as well. So the reason for the notch is that it will make sure that the stripe is at the center area, and it will make it to be straight. So I'm going to add another stripe at the left area. So the the distance between the first and the second might be like 0.5, but here in this video I'm using 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to add another one here. So I had one at the left area, and also I had another one at the right area. So the first one I sew is at the middle, and this is how it looks like. Now the next thing is to join it together. I'll be using weaving machine to do that. So firstly, I'm going to start by the inseam area. I'm going to do the second one. So after that, I'm going to join the crotch area together in order to form short. So I'm going to join it together like this. And make sure the center match with each other. So after sewing it together, this is how it looks like. Now you are going to take the measurement of your real waist, and you are going to deduct 6 inches from it. So my own waist is 32, and I deduct 6 inches from it, which equivalent to 26 inches. So I've already cut my own band here, which I cut 13 inches. So 13 plus 13, I'm cutting it on fold. So 13 plus 13 is equivalent to 26 after I deducted 6 inches from my real waist measurement. So I'm going to sew the waistband like this. After sewing it, I'm going to attach it to the pant. So can you see how I'm attaching it to the pant so don't make a mistake? So I'm going to draw the elastic to match with the pant, with the short rather. So I'm going to weave the down part area as well, because I'm going to be using machine to hem it. So now I'm going to fold the waistband like this, and I'm going to run stitches on it. So I'm going to hem the down part as well. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks perfect.